It has been a lifetime since Einstein discovered the equation E is equal to mc squared. Just in case you don't know what it is, it means energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. On the most basic level, the equation says that energy and mass or matter are interchangeable. They are different forms of the same thing, which is the base of many experiments scientists run today to travel faster than light. Watch the video to find out who and how new ways of traveling faster than light are discovered and if they really work. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to our channel. The reason why scientists want to travel with the speed of light is that they want to reach the star systems, but that would take like thousands of years. Danish astronomer Ole Rummer determined that light moves at a finite speed in 1676 by observing the motion of Jupiter's moon, Io. The American Museum of Natural History in New York City claims that 2 years later, drawing on Rummer's results, Dutch mathematician and physicist Christian Huygens made the first effort to measure the true speed of light. We now know that the speed of light in the vacuum of empty space is approximately 186,282 miles per second. That's 299,792 kilometers per second. So Huygens' estimate of 131,000 miles per second, that's 211,000 kilometers per second, is not accurate by today's standards. However, his assessment demonstrated that light travels at an incredible speed. We may have a workable solution to the conundrum in a 2021 study by physicist Eric Lenz of Göttingen University in Germany. And it may be more workable than other potential warp drives. Finding a way to send anything through space at superluminal speeds is a problem that attracts a lot of innovative ideas, each of which takes a unique approach to tackle it. With the help of what he refers to as a new class of hyperfast solitons, a type of wave that maintains its structure and energy while flowing at a constant speed, Lenz suggested one way we might be able to accomplish this in the most recent work, and in this case a velocity faster than light. Lenz's theoretical calculations show that these hyperfast soliton solutions are consistent with general relativity, and they come only from positive energy densities, eliminating the need to take into account unknown exotic negative energy density sources. In the most recent work, Lenz described one way we might be able to achieve this, using what he calls a new class of hyperfast solitons, a sort of wave that keeps its structure and energy while flowing at a constant speed, and in this case a velocity faster than light. These hyperfast soliton solutions are demonstrated by Lenz's theoretical calculations to be consistent with general relativity and to originate only from positive energy densities, negating the need to account for any exotic negative energy density sources. Lenz's study asserted to be the first known solution of its kind, but another recent analysis that also came out in March 2021 suggested a different theory for a physically feasible warp drive that didn't require negative energy in order to work. Bobrick and Mardier concluded that they might avoid using negative energy by altering space-time in the bubble in a specific way. However, this approach does not result in a warp drive that can travel at the speed of light. Lenz reported that both teams established contact and the researcher intended to share his data further to allow other scientists to investigate his findings. Lenz continued by broadcasting his findings live on YouTube to the general audience. Lenz additionally put up an independent alternative that doesn't include negative energy. He discovered that a warp drive wouldn't require the usage of negative energy by employing an alternative geometric approach to the general relativity equations. The bubble might move at a speed greater than the speed of light according to Lenz's approach. The fact that these fascinating breakthroughs of mathematical models must be made clear. Models are unreliable until they are supported by experimental data. However, we are beginning to see the science behind warp drives. The free flow of these kind of ideas continues to be our best chance of ever having the opportunity to travel to those far-off, shining stars, even if there are still many mysteries to be solved. But whatever the scientists come up with is sure to help us prosper in the future. It is not difficult to imagine yourself traveling at the speed of light in the future. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments section. We will be back with more exciting videos. Until then, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon before leaving so you can stay updated with the latest videos.